there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchases without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. We've got the high-flying, FAA-approved Ruko F11PRO on the left and the compact, budget-friendly DROCON drone on the right. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The Ruko F11PRO is priced at a whopping $389. I mean, for that price, it better come with a personal butler and a year's supply of pizza, right? Meanwhile, the DROCON drone comes in at a cool $109. It's like comparing a five-star restaurant to a food truck. Both have their charm, but one leaves you with more cash for dessert. Next up, camera quality. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like giving Spielberg the reins to your aerial shots. On the other hand, the DROCON drone serves up a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees manual adjustment. It's more like handing your middle schooler the camcorder. Still good, but maybe not Oscar-worthy. Reviewers praise the F11PRO's clear video quality, while DROCON users note that the camera gets the job done, especially for casual use. Flight time is crucial. The Ruko F11PRO promises a sky-high 60 minutes with its two powerful batteries. That's an entire hour of pretending you're in a Mission Impossible movie. The DROCON drone, however, gives you 24 minutes. That's enough time to fly around your backyard, but you'll need a quick pit stop before you can reenact any movie scenes. Reviewers love the long flight time of the F11PRO, while DROCON users appreciate the extra battery, but wish for longer flight durations. Ease of use is where things get interesting. The Ruko F11PRO is like the Tesla of drones, loaded with features like Follow Me Mode, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's so smart, it could probably write its own autobiography. The DROCON drone, meanwhile, is the friendly neighborhood drone with headless mode, one key start land, and altitude hold. It's perfect for beginners, or anyone who struggles to assemble IKEA furniture. Reviewers find the F11PRO easy to use despite its advanced features, while DROCON users find it user-friendly and perfect for kids. Ability time. The Ruko F11PRO is built like a tank with an aluminum alloy casing and level 6 wind resistance. It's like the Chuck Norris of drones. Unstoppable. The DROCON drone is foldable and lightweight, weighing less than 249 grams. It's more like a featherweight champion. Quick and agile, but keep it away from strong winds. Reviewers commend the F11PRO for its solid build, while DROCON users note its susceptibility to wind, but appreciate its portability. Extra features? The Ruko F11PRO has GPS auto return home, so it always finds its way back, like a loyal dog. Plus, it comes with considerate customer service and a beginner mode to keep you from losing your new toy. The DROCON drone, however, has some cool tricks up its sleeve like gesture recognition, voice control, and 360-degree flips. It's like that friend who can do backflips at parties. Always a hit. Reviewers love the F11PRO's reliability and extra features, while DROCON users enjoy its fun and engaging capabilities. Overall, the Ruko F11PRO is praised for its quality, performance, and advanced features, making it a top choice for serious drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great option for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko F11PRO is your high-end, feature-packed powerhouse. while the DROCON drone is your budget-friendly, fun-loving sidekick. Whether you're looking to splurge or save, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. And remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make the best choice without losing your mind or your wallet. Happy flying! Product links are in the description.